In this video, you'll learn how to use your Bebop 2 as a flying camera. By default, the Bebop 2 is in video mode. In this mode, the drone starts recording as soon as it takes off. Press on the Rec button to stop recording. The Bebop 2 records in 1080p at 30 frames per second. By moving your drone in space, you can create smooth traveling. Forward, backward, sideways. You can also make elevations. The yaw of the drone also allows you to shoot panoramic rotations. To control the camera's orientation, swipe your finger on the piloting interface in the opposite direction of the desired orientation. Double tap the piloting interface with 2 fingers to center the camera. In Ace mode, you can control the camera by using your right thumb on the joystick. This innovative camera orientation system allows you to record vertically. Once you're familiar with the different drone and camera movements, you can start combining them in order to create more complex traveling. The Bebop 2 can also take high-resolution photos. Activate the photo mode in the recording settings and choose D&G. Then, go back to the piloting interface and just press on the photo icon. The photos captured in this mode are in fisheye format. You can edit them using editing software in order to get pro-level shots. In order to fine-tune the color balance, go to Image Settings in the parameters. To increase or reduce the exposure, slide the cursor located on the left vertical bar. To change the saturation, slide the cursor located on the right vertical bar. At the end of the recording, you will find your videos and photos in the internal memory of your Bebop 2. Select the videos and photos you wish to download, and click on Transfer. You can also retrieve or erase your videos and photos by connecting your Bebop 2 to your computer using the micro USB cable provided. In order to do so, the battery of the Bebop must be inserted and the drone turned on.
The Inspire 2 brings better quality images, more power, and more intelligence to professional aerial filmmaking, setting the stage for more filmmakers to take to the sky.